Teachers and students may feel isolated and disconnected. This is the next challenge in online teaching. Students learn in a group in the classrooms and they feel isolated in online sessions. A home-based classroom leaves the learners isolated and cut off from their friends. And here is the solution for this particular problem. To make the students involved in online session, quiz and puzzles could be given online using Google Forms application in between the session and declare the results on the spot. Correction is done online by Google Forms, so no correction work for the teacher. How to use Google Forms effectively to create online quiz is explained in detail in video 5 of this playlist. You have a lot of options. You can create quiz, you can post assignment online, and you can collect some answers from the students. Lot of things we can do. If you are interested, watch video number 5 in this playlist.
The next challenge in online teaching is poor teaching resources. The teacher may be teaching wonderfully well, but the resource he or she is using may not be that good. It may be of poor quality or it may not be so interesting to watch. So children will find it boring and they may not be so attentive when they are teaching online. Many e-learning courses consist of never-ending texts followed by a set of multiple choice questions. Students find it very boring. More than e-learning, it feels like e-reading. Schools must train the teachers to prepare the required resources before they teach online. In almost all the schools, there are ready-made content. Schools are using ready-made multimedia content to teach the subject. When the teachers are using the ready-made content, they should not play the video like a movie throughout the session. Instead, they have to use those kind of ready-made videos wherever they require while teaching online. This will make the session interesting. There are some teachers, they record their session offline and they post their content online later. In this case, the students they get freedom to watch the content at any time when they are free at their own will. Here the challenge is the teacher cannot understand, they cannot monitor all the students whether they watch the content till the end or not.
Here is the solution for this issue. Establish a clear and simple calendar indicating when the student should have completed each part of the online course. In addition, send reminders to students telling them that they are running out of time and encouraging them to watch the content and complete the given assignment. Schools can maintain this kind of schedule class-wise. So if they maintain a schedule for a class, this will give a clear picture about how many assignments are going in a week or in a day. Will it be enough for the students, or whether they have to reduce it, or whether they have to increase the number of assignments given. So a clear picture can be obtained from this one single page. Share this kind of fortnight plan with the students well in advance to make them aware of the task and their deadlines. Let's discuss some of the other issues and their solutions. There are two children in a family. One child may be playing in home and other child may be attending the online session. This may distract the child who is attending the online session. Parents must ensure a conducive environment at home for the child who is attending the online session. This must be communicated to the parents from the school. Training the teachers may be a challenge for some schools. Schools could record the training session and allow the teachers to have it for their future reference. Learners' readiness to participate in an online course varies. Both teachers and parents must work together and motivate the students to actively involve in online sessions.
Here is an important message to all educational institutions. Conducting online courses is not enough. Each institution must have a system to evaluate the effectiveness of online teaching which is going on in their institution at the regular interval. This is very, very important. All right, I have overcome all these challenges and I'm able to prepare very good presentation. I'm able to engage the students online. The biggest challenge I'm facing is how to make my online session so interactive. This is very, very important. We will talk about this in our next video.